Now that we have the shell of the van prepared, we are going to lay the floor. In the front of the van, we are laying some carpet down, but before we have some mildew resistant foam sound deadener that we lay down first, and then using adhesive spray we are laying the carpet down. As you can see, Jameer that's what he's doing right now. And with the adhesive spray, we spray it on, wait for 30 seconds, and make sure it's tacky. We apply it on both the carpet and the floor. We bought a few panels of 8x4 1/4-inch thick plywood. We did need to have some insulation, so we bought some thick insulation that we have underneath the flooring. There's no turnaround. We decided on mahogany stain. We didn't want to go with a just regular clear coat stain. We wanted some color to the floor. So we decided with mahogany. There was multiple steps that we had to do to get that shine and that gloss. For the ceilings, we did a 1/2 inch insulation for the ceiling, and we decided to put carpet on the top. With the back and side doors, we did want to place some panels up for it. We cut the holes for the speakers and the handles, as well as the sections where they already had openings in them. We wanted to utilize those as little cubbies or little storage areas, side tools or miscellaneous things that we can place there. We did decide to do a swivel seat for the passenger side. We did not want to do one yet for the driver's side. We didn't think that we may need that one or utilize it to the fullest like we would the passenger side. With the cabinets, we decided on white as the main color for counters and shelving and drawers. We did find some that we liked. It fit our needs for the van. We do have the windows tinted, so it does give some privacy. And it turned out pretty good, especially for our first time. We'd never done anything like this before, so we were satisfied with the results. There's no turnaround.